First, the top news headlines. Manipur government announces cash reward of Rs 1 lakh for information on escaped NSC and IM cadre. Manipur observes World Population Day. And Minister Radhishyam inspects water-starved paddy fields in Hairo. Hello and good evening, I'm ONEL Sambandram giving you the Times of Manipur English News. Now the news in details. Manipur government today announced a cash reward of Rs 1 lakh for information on NSC and IM cadre who made a daring escape from Imphal police station yesterday. Self-styled private Thailik Panmay escaped from the lockup of the police station early morning around 3. The Manipur police has provided phone numbers 96127 59705, 700 5863 866, 98561 00314, 700 560 6171, 961 200 7472 and 700 57 25 450 to the public to give information on the Naga outfit cadre according to an official release from PRO of Manipur Police Department. State Health Society National Health Mission Manipur in association with Directorate of Family Welfare Services Government of Manipur observed the World Population Day 2019 on the theme Family Planning Fulfills the Responsibility for Preparing a Healthy Mother and Child at the IMA Conference Hall, Lamfelpat. Addressing the event as chief guest, Health and Family Welfare Minister L. Jayantakumar stretched on the importance of bringing family planning on the right track. He emphasized on the importance of determining the number of children one wants to have according to the financial condition for a better society.
Family planning, self-awareness, normally the target income care, income care. I don't know what the Anam can see on the case. Must plan it is the best and the more scientific option.
Speaking at the event as President, Director of Health and Welfare Services, Dr. K. Rajo also stretched on the importance of general public to be well aware of family planning program and effects of early marriage on the health of young mothers. He also urged that one should limit the number of babies as per the economic background.
Temporary method property hapa oral preserve condom hapa permanent method tubectomy vasectomy population for nice implement operation choice
World Population Day will be observed for 4 months in 2 phases in Manipur. Today's event was also attended by Joint Secretary of Health and Family Welfare Service, Government of Manipur, RR, Peter, Additional Director of Health Services, Dr. Shashi Kumar, and Director of Family Welfare Services, Dr. Salamatullah, and other officials from health sectors. The Department of Statistics Imphal College also organized World Population Day at the college conference hall today. Principal of Imphal College, Dr. M. Priyoberta Singh, Associate Professor of Head of Department of Statistics, Robikanta Nongthombam, and Assistant Professor, Dr. Naurem Sharad and Thokchom Ashok Kumar Maite attended the program. Professor of Statistics Department, Imphal College, Salam Noren, said the World Population Day program was conducted at Imphal College to draw attention on the rising population issue. He further said that growing population is one of the key issues of United Nations Sustainable Goal 2030.
At the same time, quality of life hand in hand that
Manipur Education, Labour and Employment Minister T.H. Radheshyam visited water-starved paddy fields in his home constituency, Hairok, yesterday. During the visit, Radheshyam also inspected the operation of water pump sets drawing water from river for irrigation purposes. He told reporters that Hairok residents depend mainly on farming and that a committee has been formed so as to solve the current problem of water shortage. Radheshyam also assured to provide more water pump sets to the farmers to help cope with the situation. Radheshyam was accompanied by Minor Irrigation Department Executive Editor, District Agricultural Officer Thobal, other officials and representatives of several farmers' organizations during the trip. Chief Minister N. Biren Singh has condoled on the demise of Chief of Hangjang Kuki Village, Thangnyo Kipgen, and his nephew, Thangmenlun Haukip, in a gun attack carried out by some unknown miscreants at a scheduled place located between Kaihau and Hangjang Village in Kangpokpi district yesterday. In a statement, the Chief Minister also strongly condemned such dastardly act of targeting innocent lives without any reason. He said that there is no place for such heinous crimes in a civilized society, informing that active investigation into the incident are in progress, maintaining that perpetrators would be nabbed as soon as possible. He also urged Hangjang villagers to maintain calm at the hour of sorrow. And Biren also shared grief of family members and Hangjang village and prayed for the Almighty for the soul of deceased person to rest in peace in their heavenly abode. The Manipur BJP today hit back at former MLA of Nauria Pakhang Lakpa constituency, R.K. Anand, saying a huge change in infrastructure development has been brought by the BJP-led coalition government in the constituency. A few days back, R.K. Anand targeted the state government, alleging that no development was visible in Nauria Pakhang Lakpa. Speaking to media, BJP Nauria Pakhang Lakpa Mandal Secretary M. Premjit said the constituency has witnessed a number of changes during the past 2.5 years since the BJP came to power. A Mandal team comprising of President L. Indrajit, General Secretary S. Surmangol and other leaders inspected various developmental projects being undertaken by the state government in the constituency. Secretary M. Ranjit also rejected the recent statement by R.K. Anand.
PMGSY gi makhada leiba lambi ni aduna akoi state ki fund gi paisa thadar ga siam ba yadadna leibani adubu atuba matam da siam na bagi damakta process loire haidana akoi onebe MLA na akoi da thambi maram aduna lambi thongi da matang da akoi gi Nauria gi prajana thazaroi da ba adugi matik aran ba akoi gi hanagi ex MLA na hariba koi sa singa sidi Nauria gi praja sing na thazaroi da ba yamna aran ba akoi praja sing apangba siba adugomba ahombo propaganda ne na thamjare.
National Food Security Act NFSA nominee for Nauria Pakhang Lakpa S. Loken told media that the contractor has so far distributed rice quota to the beneficiaries of the constituency and that there is no pending.
Nauria gi cheng tha sun phang de habdo ai khoi contact na pirak bache khoi matam chana tha khuding yin je voter the ching ye have to the when have a caracumatum da voter the Hogi Casilem the Vanina voter the Ching and Zaki Bigwani. Adi Matunda Koi voter the Kati Yen of Toronto Jaki, Kato when a doctor Womatum da Kato, but seeing in Bayat, but on the land, but the king as he will quick catch and turn with the motor, a fisherman, I can't computer ni palaga, Kasikan the Shemjeri, Quay 2 Matam da Quay Kati and Indian story. Napsagi seeing here, Quay biometric Toroganda, Quay Jena, Quay Piper of the Yene have to do some Matamai.
Well, let's take a quick break, but coming up, Kurai locals stormed the Imphali's Deputy Commissioner's office. More after the break. Stay tuned.
Nationwide #1 oirakliba UNI Consultancy Private Limited na lowest package ta security amadi local guarantor piduna India ge khanaba state singda NRI quota da MBBS tamnaba amadi foreign countries singda MBBS tamnaba gi pandam da SBI gi on campus educational loan da natna lupa lakh amaga listing nimfu scholarship su second semester dagi semester khuding maki phanghangani free year tickets na traga lupa listing nimfu banga gi relaxation gi damak ngasi mak youth library club uripok palem laikai gi mayok nabada laiba corporate office ta lak piduna ngasi mak contact you. Hena kupamarol gidama contact Tobiru 7005092567 amasung 90077786247. Aikuigi website www.247ununi.com.
Saraswati Coaching Institute, Chingmairong Kongnang Karak Infal. Admission open. Class 11 Science Foundation Course 2019. Starting of class 15 July. Medical regular course for NEET UG 2020. Starting of class 15 July. NEET UG successful candidates for 2019. Sanalu Gangmei, Wardo Dilbung Lamkang, Muhammad Nashiruddin Sa, El Yohenba, Nima Naurem, Kate Stela Devi, Narosa Chabungbam, Chandan Larin Lakpam, Supriya RK, O Philip.
Welcome back after the break. Angry at non-distribution of rice under National Food Security Act NSFA, to Kurai constituency, a large number of Kurai locals stormed the Imphali's Deputy Commissioner's office today. Kurai in Imphali's has been witnessing sporadic protests since the past few days over NFSA rice quota issue. Local MLA El Susindro accused the Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution Minister Karam Shyam of involving in the whole episode of depriving of rice quota for Kurai. He announced that his constituency has all prepared to take up further agitations.
Concerned minister say, I will Madina Hana Pamtadone. Madam de Kaino, I want them that. Akui Miam, Miuda in the community, Miam with Tabatonone, Akuina Mabusum and Trikalise, Miam and Tabatonone, Lanai Tabatonone. Aduma Masana Kanadone, Nasibu Magi statement, talking of statement in the TND, Louis Logre and Mahai Bonato, Nasika Idogi Chain later me. I do Hurano Kakapizikanaro. Minister Pontado do Mayokai. Other Mayam see content which I'm coming to the Mayam home the law talks again.
A 9-day-long celebration of Kang Rath Yatra festival ended today with pomp and gaiety in Manipur. The celebration of Kang festival in the state begins on the second day of Ingen month of Manipuri lunar calendar. The main events of the festival include the pulling of Kang, the traditional chariot, and offering of flowers and fruits to Sri Sri Jagannath, Balabhadra and Subhadra. The pulling of Kang was held at Sri Sri Govindaji Temple Complex, Imphal. A large number of devotees turned up in their traditional attire at Palace Gate and Temple to take part in the festival despite a downpour.
Masih kalian numisda aku ye nungai apa bako lepas aku ibu nungai apa bako order sekno hai naik kali. Masih aku ye Jagannatha ko moi ohum se sigi mai kange niti niyam do adu maputhok idang tay.
K. Sharad Kumar Singh, Vice Chairman, Manipur Food and Industries Corporation Limited, Government of Manipur, welcomed former Congress candidate Kangabam Ranjana Devi, Councillor of Jiribam Municipal Council, JMC, Ward number 10, Dibong, Jiribam, and several others as member of Bharatiya Janata Party. They joined BJP during a membership enrollment program held at the Lengang Pokpi Mayai Lekai Community Hall, Jiribam. Addressing the gathering, K. Sharad Kumar Singh expressed happiness over enrollment of Kangabam Ranjana Devi and others as primary members of BJP.
Sri Narendra Modi ji amadi Manipur Chief Minister Oriba Sri N. Biren Singh, National President of Biriba Sri Amit Shah ji amadi JP Nadda ji mulma sigi kathokpa loinaraba adugumba leibak ningbagi thorum masida thawung masida leibak namakta thola tarabasing namakta honariba kaya si yeng haraga Ranjana Devi matam sangna atopa party mda yaurambadagi ngasidi Bharatiya Janata Party da yaubirappa sigi damakta Bharatiya Janata Party ki maigidagi Srimati Ranjana Devi bu hannana thagatsari.
All Tribal Rights Protection Forum Manipur has threatened to launch steer against the state government's decision to appoint non-tribal IAS officer as the Director of Tribal Affairs and Hills on July 8th last. It was also demanded that to review the move at the earliest. President of ATRPFM Joseph Rongmei, during a press meet held at ATRPFM office today, said the decision to appoint non-tribal as the Director of Tribal Affairs and Hills without consulting the concerned MLAs is highly arbitrary in nature and biased on the part of the state government. He added that since the inception of the Department of Tribal Affairs and Hills, tribal IAS officers have been the head of the department as Director, Principal Secretary and even the Minister. However, this time, the government's decision in appointing non-tribal officer as the director is humiliating. Joseph Rongmei also said non-tribal officers are not suitable for the post as the Tribal Affairs and Health Department has many branches like Tribal Research Institute and Manipur Tribal Development Council.
Amabu bypass tawdadana concern tawnarga leiragadi peaceful se leigani haibase akoi adum government ges maikaida mai onsanangi aduna yaragadi masise government na athubada mieng changbiraga order do review tobiu revoke tobiu aduga tribal ama change tobiu natragadi akoi tribal sing na masigi matang sida kitang waraure aduna athubada government na mieng changbidragadi unwanted agitation or unwanted overcome may occurs. Aduna matu thok kadaba pumnamak daito se government na lojagami haibse haizani.
Maipa today celebrated its first foundation day during a function at the auditorium of Manipur State Film Development Society, Palace Compound, Imphal. Managing Director of Arun Enterprises, Thangzam Arun Kumar, Chairman of Film Forum Manipur, Samjit Sabam Mangoljao and CEO of FSRD Private Limited, Herojit, attended the event. A mobile app of Myra Foods was launched to mark the occasion. Manipur Muslim Welfare Organization has criticized both the center and Manipur government for allegedly keeping mum on the issue of border pillar number 82 along Indo-Myanmar border. Cabo Valley was given away to Myanmar after Manipur merged with Union of India in 1949, and since then, the neighboring country has been gradually grabbing Manipur's land. MMWO President Abdullah Pundramayum said during the press meet at the organization's office, Hatta, Imphal today. He condemned the stoic silence maintained by both the state and central government over the boundary issue. Abdullah pledged the MMWO will not remain silent spectators over the issue as it will stand opposed firmly against the act of Myanmar.
Survey of India, Government of India, amadi masigi survey taw nobel riba department nga sibo sumut namun masibo namsal laga laira kan nga sibo masigi warushin pulakti marak asida amuka pillar number IT2 gi da amuka meter chahumuk Manipur gi ngang khairum sang chala kan da haidi Barmana haidi Myanmar na pillar jungsal lamba se masi sida warushin purakna ba India government amusu Manipur government na phone na targadi Manipur miam da asak da mi mai da gi haiba samana riba mo nga se o ma sa ise mai baklong na sak thor sak khairakpa amani miam gi adum la ba hawnu ba nai da ba adum la chaw lo i hawa makak mayuk na pa ya gi phifam ma lak pa yai haiba sine khone thamjaning bo famse phamjau pabi ri iboi ibe masingna mai magi phammun na bada Delhi da khar kam taw amla kano taw ko chen chen la kanda haibi issue singa si pho mi changdan lai thok pa haiba se masi ta sengna yam laibak thibani mase miang ya sau ba se haiba iboi ibe ma phamthon pai ba aikogi ngasi munthok munjin da thawai yauri bising se masigi mai mathakta hai throi hangai leite अथु मतम मसिदा मियेंग चंगदौनी गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया दा चलकांदा स्टेट गवर्नमेंट ना मसि तक्सन गदौबनी अखोई लम ममांग मांग याब मैम मांगहलगा लाखरे ngasi इंची एम फु मांग यारoi habduni MMW तौरिबा दाबियस.
A hardcore women bomb expert belonging to the band RPF PLA has been arrested by a combined team of Imphal East Police Commando and 5th J&K Rifles. Mayanglambam Premila Devi, age 52 years, wife of late M. Naubi Singh, a resident of Kachikul, Mamang Lekai, was arrested during counter-insurgency operation conducted last night at Sangaitel Lambi, Kachikul under Patsoi police station, according to a police report. All Manipur Football Association, in association with Tidimrot Unique Game Players Union, yesterday distributed football kits to players and coaches who are participating in a 6-month-long grassroots football development program during a function held at the Koripaba Laipung, Nambol, Bishnupur. The program targets to provide training to children in the age group of 6 to 14 years. Altogether, 54 children from Nambol are taking part in the training program.
ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤ ꯍꯥꯟꯅꯗꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯁꯦ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯕꯁꯤ ꯍꯥꯟꯅꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗꯗꯤ ꯃꯦꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯛ ꯄꯥꯁ ꯇꯧꯗ꯭ꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯇꯧꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯕ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯇꯤ ꯋꯥꯔꯜ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯟꯗꯔꯗ ꯌꯧꯅꯕ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯒ꯭ꯔꯥꯁꯔꯨꯠꯇꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯅꯁꯔꯤ ꯀꯥꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯗꯅ ꯐꯨꯠꯕꯣꯜꯒꯤꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯂꯤꯡ ꯇꯧꯗꯅ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯐꯕ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯔꯣꯏ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯅꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯊꯤꯕꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯐꯝꯗ ꯃꯥꯏ ꯄꯥꯛꯅꯕ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯔꯣꯏꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯣꯏꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯄꯥꯟꯗꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯒ꯭ꯔꯥꯝꯁꯤ ꯁꯤꯟꯗꯅ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯀꯟꯇꯤꯅ꯭ꯌꯨꯁꯅꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯤꯟꯗꯔꯤꯁꯤ ꯊꯥ 3ꯅꯤ ꯊꯥ 3 ꯂꯣꯏꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯀꯟꯇꯤꯅ꯭ꯌꯨꯁꯂꯤ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯁꯤꯟꯖꯒꯦ.
FXB India Suraksha and All Jiribam Working Journalists Union have jointly organized an awareness program on anti-human trafficking and child sexual abuse at the conference hall of Jiri News Network today. President of Amju NG Bishwajit, resource person of FXB India Suraksha K. Sunil Maite, project officer of FXB India Suraksha Imphal Ado Sangha, project officer of FXB Suraksha India Ukrul Brands, spoke on the issues related to protection of children from sexual offences Act 2012 and anti-human trafficking. Civil society organizations, Mayra Paibis, students organizations and others took part in the program. Well, let's take a short break, but coming up, Japanese encephalitis takes a toll in parts of Assam. More after the break. Jerusalem Clinic and Diagnostic Center, Lamka, Churachandpur. #1 digital X-ray in Churachandpur. All laboratory and diagnostic tests available. Opposite Churachandpur District Hospital. Gitam University, Visakhapatnam da BSc Nursing amadi MSc Nursing in NPCC gidamak female candidates singna admission to bibi yaragani. Campus manung da masagi hospital laijaraba medical college ni. Room amada mahiroi ani khaktamak laiba lift facility yauraba amadi yamna hygienic oiraba hostel yauraba campus ni. MSc Nursing da admission fanglaba mahiroi singda tha khudingi stipend oina lupa lising tara fangani. Tuition fee structure: BSc rupees 30,000 per year. Food and accommodation rupees 45,000 per year. First to 4th year same fees. MSc Nursing in NPCC fees rupees 1.5 lakh per year. Food and accommodation rupees 45,000 per year. Eligibility: BSc class 12 pass, physics, chemistry, biology and English 50% in aggregate. Manipur gi mahiroi singi oina entrance test yaudana direct admission tawbiba yagani. Subnataki seat 15 khaktani. Akupa marol gidamak contact tawbirau Educare Zone near Bosem Babupara. Phone number 60090622261 natraga 87940262277. Welcome back after the break. The vector-borne diseases like Japanese encephalitis, swine flu and acute encephalitis syndrome are taking toll over the lives in Assam. There have been several reported positive cases of JEAES in Udalguri district. Many fresh cases are expected as samples of patients with symptoms have been sent and reports are awaited. Besides the preventive measures, the single most important preventive method is vaccination against Japanese encephalitis. The vaccine is freely available through the Government of India for children 1 to 15 years, and the adults can get the vaccine through private clinics. Acting on a tip of a team of West Tripura police seized a huge consignment of Yaba tablets from the Madhabbari interstate truck terminus at Madhabbari in West Tripura district early this morning. 3 persons were also arrested for possessing the banned narcotic tablet. Yaba is literally known as mad drug. With 16 legislators submitting their resignation, the Congress Janata Dal secular government in Karnataka is on the brink of collapse. The Supreme Court has ordered the rebel MLAs to meet the Speaker in person this evening. It is further hear the case tomorrow. The monsoon season of the Karnataka legislature was supposed to begin tomorrow. At least 14 passengers were killed and 79 others injured today when an express train rammed into a stationary freight train in Pakistan's Punjab province. The Quetta Brown Akbar Express collided with the stationary freight train at the Walhar railway station in Sadiqbad Tehsil of the province. The freight train was on a loop line when the speeding passenger train, instead of running on the main line, entered the wrong track. Now let's have a quick look at the newspaper headlines.
Disangai Express, Rival MLS resolved to stay from CM preside meets. NSN and cadre escape from lockup. State runs into rupees 58 crore deficit. Imphal Free Price, Fire price of automation introduced to maintain transparency in distribution of PDS items. Dissident MLS refute reports in some local Delhis. Police take up stringent steps, action to capture escapee. Committee against eviction to move court says destroyed shop will be rebuilt. The Morning Bell, no assurance from Centre on replacement of CM Biran. Source, POCSO Act amended that penalty for sex assault on minors. Missing wife and son rescued from restaurant in Haryana. Thaubal District Police inaugurates child-friendly police stations. CM launches FPS automation system for the first time in the state. System to bring transparency in distribution of PDS items.
And before we wind up, the top news headlines once again. Manipur government announces cash reward of Rs 1 lakh for information on escaped NSC and IM cadre. Manipur observes World Population Day. And Minister Radheshyam inspects water-starved paddy fields in Hairo. That's all for now. Stay tuned to Times of Manipur.